Hi, I'm Kelly Moser, an associate professor in the Department of Classical and Modern Languages and Literatures at Mississippi State University. And today I'm going to talk about feedback. So, what is feedback? First, let's clarify what it's not. Feedback should be separate from grading. In fact, research suggests that when students see letter or number grades on assignments, they tend not to view the comments. After all, students think of their learning as completed, without an opportunity to improve upon their performance. Instead, feedback should tell students how they are doing, how they've improved, and what they need to do to meet learning objectives. Here are 4 research-based tips to provide quality feedback to students. First, supply learners with specific, detailed information. Statements like, "Great job," or even "not quite," are not helpful because students need to know what they are doing well and what they need to do to improve. Try statements like, "The example you used to support your point of view is interesting. On your next draft, I'd like you to find additional examples from the text to make your argument even stronger." Some researchers have suggested using something called a feedback sandwich that sandwiches critical commentary between positive statements. Second, prioritize feedback by focusing on a handful of things rather than everything at once. This gives students a guide to improve without overwhelming and potentially disengaging them. It must also be tangible and transparent. Simply writing "awkward" on a student's paper is useless if the student does not understand what makes the sentence awkward. Third, consider your timing. Immediate feedback is significantly more effective when students need to know that they have grasped new content knowledge, like when students are learning new scientific terminology, mathematical formulas, or verb forms. On the other hand, delayed feedback within a few days might be better when supporting students' application of that knowledge, like when they are using a mathematical formula or verb tense in writing. Regardless, feedback should be given to students within days, not weeks or longer, because the goal is to guide students toward improvement, and the more frequent the feedback, the better. Fourth, involve students. Many studies have found that students see teachers' comments as something to read rather than as a tool for improvement. This means that we need to teach students how to use feedback by providing similar follow-up assignments for which they apply these expected skills. To recap, feedback focuses teachers on 4 questions. 1. What can the student do? 2. What can't the student do? 3. How does the student's work compare with that of others or align with instructional goals? 4. How can the student do better? See below for additional resources. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more class videos from our team at Mississippi State University.